If your car is cranking but not starting, there could be multiple issues. Either batteries died, starter motor, starter relay or fuse, dirty fuel injector, anti-theft or security system issue, key problem, dry throttle, engine sensor or fuel system. Car might also not start if the battery terminal has a corrosion or there is a carbon around the terminal. I detached the terminal and they are really dirty from inside. I am using the sandpaper to clean the terminal, but there is a terminal cleaner tool. If you have that one, use that. Now I'm cleaning the other terminal as well. I cleaned both terminals, now putting them back. I'm lazy to go inside and get the gloves, but I always recommend to use the gloves. Also remember one thing, if there is a corrosion in the car terminal, your car will turn on, lights will turn on, AC will turn on, but it won't give enough power to the starter motor to start the car. I am going to start the car. Hopefully, it will fix the issue. And yes, it fixed the issue. But if you're not able to start your car, as I mentioned in the start of the video, there could be multiple things you need to check. Do one by one, and hopefully, your car will be also fixed. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.